Hello everyone. So this is the measurement solution we have provided to one of our customer. So in this customer have the requirement to inspect the different types of parameters, including the multiple ODs of this components, IDs of this component, and even the OD of this small area of this component, and gauging of this, like ID gauging, and again gauging of these holes. All these parameters are getting inspected in this single machine, having different fixture for accordingly for these parameters. So I will just show you one cycle of this. So how to inspect all these parameters. So here, as we can see, there are multiple ODs are getting inspected in this, and ID of that component is also getting inspected. So inspection cycle is completed. Now the component is okay. It will be indicated by this signal. If it is not okay, it will be indicated by the red buzzer. So that operator will put the component in the rejection bin until and unless next cycle will not start. Now I will load the component as it is okay in the next station to check the spline PCD runout of this component. As the component is okay for the spline PCD runout, now we are going to check the OD of this land, which has a small groove in that as well. Now as we can see that the OD of that component is okay and it is shown by that green signal. Now until and unless this cycle is totally get completed, we cannot load that on the next station. But the next station is manually gauging station. So after completing this cycle, we can check all these gauging parameter on single go of all this component. Now we have to check the gauging of this. So we have to just load the component, spline go gauging, and push that. And it will show us by starting the next cycle. Now we are going to inspect the go gauging of this side. Here on this gauging station, we are going to check the screw diameter. this next station we are going to check the positioning of the hole by gauging, go gauging.